Hi everybody, it's Tana here from Textdrip, and today we're going to be going over all things tags. Now, I know you're asking yourself, well, what exactly is a tag? Well, tags are one of our many ways to stay organized by assigning a label to a contact. Tags are labels or identifiers that you can attach to your contacts for organization or for targeting. Now, let me go ahead and show you how to create one. It's really easy. You're going to start by clicking on tags here. And in the top right-hand corner, you're going to click on where it says add tag, and then put in with the name of the tag, whatever you like. Now, to help to make tags more easily identifiable, you can always select here on the purple box and change the color of your tag too as well. By changing the color, this is going to help you to easily identify any of your customers within your account. Once you have the name of the tag here, the color that you like, go ahead and click on submit. And now you have made your first tag. But let's go ahead and take it a step further. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to actually add tags to a contact. So within the contact field, now once you get to a customer name, you're going to click on action, go to where it says add tag. In the drop-down box, select a tag or tags you would like to add to that person, and then click on add. Now, let's say you want to remove a tag. Well, it's the same action. Go to action, add tag, then click on the X right next to it to actually remove that tag. Now, that's just one of the ways to actually use tags. You can actually use tags to look for certain customers or to redrip customers too as well. So let's say if you want to find certain customers, we can go up here to advanced search, and then you can use your tags to look for certain customers. So let's say I want to look for everybody I actually quoted a price to. Well, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start typing in quoted to bring up that tag. But I also want to exclude certain people too as well. So then I'm going to also click on the drop down box here, and I'm going to exclude all my customers in the past 3 to 6 months. From here, I'm going to click on search, and then I'm going to be able to pull up all my customers I actually quoted a price to. From here, if you like, you can actually select the entire page or select individual customers. But once you do that, you can actually click on add to campaign and now add customers right into a drip campaign from using tags. Now, another really cool feature that we have that you can use tags is that you can actually add a tag to a drip campaign. So if we go to our drip campaigns and let's look for a ghosted campaign that I made. And then here you'll see tags. You can actually go to the drop down box, search for that ghosted tag, and then click on save. Once you do that and you go back to your contact field, now if I want to assign that tag and add them to the drip campaign, I can do that by just selecting the customers, clicking add tag at the top here, search for that ghosted tag, and then the system is going to ask me, am I sure? Because once I click on yes, not only will those customers get the ghosted tag, but they will also get the ghosted campaign too as well. So definitely use your tags to redrip your customers. Now, you can also add tags right from our inbox. So within the inbox, we're going to select a customer name here. And then at the top, by clicking on the 3 dots, you're going to click on where it says add tag. Then go to the drop-down box and assign that tag to that person by clicking on add. Using tags are going to make things way easier in your account by helping you to stay organized. So what are you waiting on? Go ahead and make a few tags today. For more information or details about tags, you can always book a demo. You can always click on the help tab here, or you can always just go to textdrip.com. And remember, information is subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Bye, everybody.